family. What is, if you had to explain to somebody what a fact family is, anybody? You're a family because you're related, Abram, because
The top two numbers in addition and odd number.
well, you're close. Grant, I'm looking for.
It's two addition problems and two subtraction problems that you can use the three same numbers.
Yeah, it's using the three same numbers to make true equations with, or problems with, addition or subtraction, or whatever problem with. In other words, this, if I know that 5 plus 3 is 8, the other facts, this is a math fact here, it's a true statement. You can take those three numbers, flip them around, and make 3 more. Usually the fact families come in groups of 4. I can flip those around and make 3 other problems that are true with those same numbers. For example, not only is 5 plus 3 8, but 3 plus 5 is 8. I can make 2 addition and 2 subtraction facts. What are the 2 subtraction facts? Well, either 8 minus
5 equals 3 or 8 minus 3 equals 5.
right. And these are what we call a big fact family. And the nice thing about that is once you know numbers go together, then you already know a whole bunch of facts without a whole lot of thinking. They might also give you something like this. If you have 6 and 8, what third number would make a fact family? By the way, there's about 4 different answers there. Most obvious, maybe, is, Abram?
14.
14. Why? Because 6 plus 8 is 14. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 14 minus 8 is 6. But you could also say what? What's another one? Wade?
2.
2. Why? Because 8 minus 6 is 2. So then, what? What else could it be? 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. And what's the one I'm missing? What's the other addition fact? Evelyn? 2 plus 6 is 8, thank you. Yes.
Okay, oh,
Is that what you were going to say?
yes.
How about another one? Is there another one there? You give me the addition subtraction ones, what about multiplication and division? Multiplication probably be the easiest one. What's the next? Multiplication. You know that 6 times 8 is 48, right? What other facts can I go from that? Well, 8 times 6 is 48. What are the division ones? 48 divided by 6 is 8, and 48 divided by 8 is 6. Anybody think of another one? This one would not be as obvious, but let's do it just because we're 6th graders. If you took 6 and subtracted 8 from it, what would you get? Anybody?
-2.
-2. Can I flip those numbers around and get the same thing? Sure. -2 minus 8 is, -8 to positive 2. That's my question. Sorry. There you go there. I don't want to do the negative numbers. They should work though. -2
Plus 8.
plus 8 is 6.
-2 plus
Let's
6
do it. Just 6 minus 8 is -2. We can take what? -2 plus 8 is 6. How about the subtracting ones? Check this out. 6 minus a -2 is 8. And then the other addition one would be 8 minus 2 is 6. But you don't have to know that, don't let that go any further there. And the last one, you can just write down here, is called inverse operations. You see that word inverse? Inverse operations just mean operations that are kind of opposite or they undo each other, which just means this. The inverse of addition would be, what's the opposite of addition? Subtraction. Or the inverse of division, what's the opposite of division? Multiplication. They undo each other. That's all